Hello, these are the parts of the DIY winnower. The small vacuum. Then we have this funnel. It's made with PVC. And a funnel, any funnel you have at home, just ensure that it's the hole is a little bit big enough for the nibs. And then we have this cyclone separator, and then any medium-sized bucket. And then to use it, it's just super easy. You just have to connect this one here. And then this panel here, and connect the tube towards the vacuum. Like this. So this is the setup. This is the intake. You put the nibs here with the husk, and then the vacuum through this cyclone separator will separate the husk. The husk will go inside here, not there in the vacuum, because of this cyclone separator. That's why this is an important part of this DIY setup. And then the nibs will go out here. While this is being operated, you just have to hold it. So it's just good for small capacity of nibs. For beginners, so this is a perfect setup for you. Attach the cyclone separator. For a bucket, you just make a hole. So this has been with me for already 3 years, so it's already broken. But it still works. I just put something to it and it works. So just for the cover of the bucket, you just make a hole for the cyclone separator to be attached to. Attach them with whatever is possible. So I use a screw. I put hole here and then connect the screw here. So it's actually up to you. You can use this method or use other type of method like putting some rubber to make the vacuum more efficient, and or some adhesive. But I use this screw for this setup, which is I would say is also effective in a way. So it's up to you actually. 3 types of this PVC pipe. So here, you can improve this on your own. You can make this one part here adjustable to the airflow intake. But for the basic setup, you can just cover this one, then this part here. So to set up, you can use fixed setup. That means it will not be anymore easily be dismantled. But for me, I want it easily dismantled to clean them thoroughly. Connect it here, and this one goes here. Output. This is the basic setup. Assembling them and connecting them using a tape or whatever way you want to connect it. It will look like this. So this part here is where you will connect the cyclone separator, and then this part here is where the intake for the nibs and where you put your funnel, and then the output it will go here, the nibs, and then the husk will go here. That's it. So the setup is super basic. You can use it as a baseline and just improve to it. The vacuum is static. You cannot adjust the vacuum power. So that's why I just use a small vacuum. But with this setup, you can actually adjust the airflow or the vacuum flow from here, from this part here. So there.